So I'm going to show you how the compensation plan works. It's actually very simple. I could have shown you a video, but I feel I'm a visual learner and I think it will be more meaningful for you if I draw it out. So let's get started. The compensation plan is actually very simple. It's a track that you're going to run on. And you want to run, if you're like me, an athlete, triathlon, marathon, half marathon, you want to run as fast as you can along these tracks. Also, if you're not a runner, you still want to run as fast as you can. You're going to start in Isagenix out as an associate. So when you enroll and you start enjoying the products, you're an associate. The next step up is going to be a consultant. You become a consultant once you start sharing the products. So what that's going to look like is, it's going to be you plus 2, which looks like this. It's you and sharing the products with 2 people turns you into a consultant. So that's the first rank advancement in Isagenix when you run along the tracks. The company will give you a $50 rank advancement bonus. The next step is manager. Manager, again, it's very simple. You plus 2, then plus 2. So it looks actually very similar than what we did up here. It's you plus 2, and now you teach those 2 people how to get their products paid for. So you teach them to find 2 people as well. So you plus 2, them plus 2 turns you into a manager. If you do this within your first 30 days of enrollment, which is really not difficult, once you start enjoying the products and see what they have to offer, the company gives you a $250 bonus. The next one is director. In order to be recognized as a director, it's going to be you plus 2, them plus 2 times 3. So here you created 2 consultants because you showed 2 people how to get their products paid for. Here on director you do this 3 times, so you're going to create 6 consultants. You're showing 6 people how to get their products paid for. If you do this within the first 3 months, first 90 days of your enrollment, the company gives you a $750 bonus. The last one, that's the one you really want to be heading for as fast as you can, is executive. In order to be an executive, it's very simple. It's you plus 2, them plus 2, 5 times. So now you created 10 consultants. You showed 10 people how to share the products and how to get their products paid for. If you do this within your first 6 months of your enrollment, the company gives you a $1,000 bonus. So imagine, 1,000, 750, 250, we're looking at a $2,050 bonus for just rank advancing, for sharing the products and for showing the people how to get their products paid for. But there's more. The company will reward you $100 each time you create a consultant. So every time you teach somebody how to get their products paid for, you turn them into a consultant. Every time you do this, the company gives you $100 up to 20 times. So here, you plus 2, them plus 2. You created 2 consultants and you just received a $200 bonus. Here you need 6 consultants to be director. So you went from 2 to 6. So there's 4 additional consultants, 4 times 100, $400 bonus to turn director. And now an executive, we went from 6 consultants to 10, so again we had 4 additional consultants, $400 bonus. So there's a $1,000 extra bonus, which makes it a total of $3,050. I mean, this is big. This is not small money, and that's in addition. This is just rank advancement bonuses plus consultant money. This doesn't include team cycles, product introductory bonuses, and double points. So why would you not cash in on that? The company gives up so much money back on the front end. So go and run on these tracks as fast as you can. So now I'm going to explain you how you can earn income with Isagenix. There's 5 ways of earning an income. Number 1 is retail sales. You can earn retail sales very simply by sending people to your website. The moment you sign up as an associate, you basically have access to a multi-million-dollar website and people can purchase retail. You also have a professional retail program available to you, which is if you know somebody that's interested to sell directly on one-to-one basis. Qualifying professionals could be personal trainers, hairdressers, chiropractors, massage therapists, and so on. The next one is a product introductory bonus. That's a big one because every time you introduce somebody to the Isagenix system, it's very likely you're going to put a package together to set them up for success. There's over 15 packages that earn you anywhere between $10 and $80 per recommended pack. So if you enroll somebody with any of these packs, they give you a product introductory bonus. The next one is special promotions, and they change all the time. Some of them are more consistent, but there's a lot of options to earn extra money with special promotions. One of the special promotions is the leadership pools. There's holiday bonuses, there's shares as you go through the rank advancements, and double PIB is a very big one. So if you understood the principle of product introductory bonus, if you enrolled somebody with a pack, let's say you got a $50 bonus for introducing with one of the packs, and now you enrolled a second person within the same calendar week, which is Monday through Sunday, you can earn a double bonus. So if you enrolled somebody with a $50 pack and you sold 2 of those in this week, you would get $100, of course, because of the 2 product introductory bonuses. With the double PIB, Isagenix actually doubles this money, and now you're just making $200 by recommending 2 of these packs. And it's unlimited. So if you enroll 4, 5, 6 people, the double bonuses keep going for that given calendar week. The next one is executive matching bonus. What that means is once you hit the rank of an executive, remember you're running on the tracks, you're going to earn 10% of the income of each of your personally enrolled consultants. So that's really big. If you have 10, 15, 20 consultants that are doing some work, that are recommending the products and sharing, you're going to earn some nice extra income there. And the last one, that's the one I need to explain a little bit more, that's team cycles. That is your real residual income. Almost everybody starts out making quite a bit of money on the beginning with team cycles. So I'm going to show you on a different page how the team cycles work. Okay, now I want to talk briefly about the concept of the residual income of team cycles. So a team cycle consists of 600 business volume points on your left and 300 business volume points on your right, or the other way around. So 600 on one side, 300 on the other, and it equals $54. So this is what a team cycle is. And basically, let me explain it to you by looking at it a little more visually. So imagine you're building two teams, one on your right and one on your left. And on the bottom of these teams, you imagine you have a bank account where you accumulate points. So if you enrolled somebody here with, let's say, 150 BV, and then you enrolled somebody else with 150 BV, and then this person enrolled somebody with 150 BV. So at this point you have 300, you have 450 business volume points accumulated on your left. Now you're also building a team on your other side. So you're enrolling somebody, let's say with 200 BV, and then you're going to enroll another person with 200 BV, and then a third person with 200 BV, and they know somebody else is sharing the products with, and also enrolling them. I just use numbers now as a sample to keep it simple. So you have 2, 4, 6, you have 800 now accumulated on your right, and 450 on your left. So in order to have a team cycle, we said 600 on one side, 300 on the other. So if we take off the 300, we have 150 left on this side, and we take off the 600, we have 200 left on this side. These two numbers are called leftover volume. So you just completed a team cycle of $54 that will go automatically into your bank account every Monday. So you can accumulate a lot of team cycles daily, weekly, monthly, depending on how fast you grow your team. So now if you think about it, so every time somebody down the road places an order, these points flow always back up, all the way back up to you. So if this person in 2 months from now places an order of, let's say, 200 BV, this person will get the 200 BV, you will get the 200 BV. If this person orders for 100 BV, this person, and you will get the 100 BV. So as you can see, this is a really powerful concept, because as these people develop their own connections and share the products, you will have a lot of points, a lot of business volume points accumulating on all sides. So now let's say at one point you may have somebody that becomes, let's say this person enrolled a chiropractor, and this chiropractor is on fire about the products and is putting a lot of people on the 30-day system. So the next thing you know, you enrolled this person and you had a connection to this person and you might know him, but all these people down the road that are going to be enrolled by this chiropractor, you don't necessarily have a connection, but every time somebody down the road places an order here, it's going to flow up through all these people. They're all receiving the same points all the way up to you. So this is a very powerful concept, and that's why it's really important to teach your people how to get your products paid for and understand the concept of developing two teams. I hope that was helpful, and I'm happy to go more into detail at a later time.